Here this is a problem from complex number given in 11th January morning shift. So, the problem is very simple, very basic question. Just if you know the basics of complex number, it is easy to solve. Now, you can see that let Z be a complex number satisfying the condition mod Z plus Z is equals to 3 plus I. This is the main condition in the problem, mod Z plus Z is equals to 3 plus I. Here we do not know what is the complex number and he is asking to find what is the value of modulus of Z. So, now to find out modulus of Z, that simply we use the given condition. So, what is the condition? I will write first, mod Z plus Z is equals to 3 plus I. So, this is the given condition. Now, what we will do? Simply we consider Z as a, I will take a standard form. Let us suppose A plus IB. Okay. Now, I suppose Z is equal to A plus IB. Simply we plug this Z is equal to A plus IB in the above condition. So, what is that? Mod Z. What is the mod Z? The modulus of a complex number is simply root of A square plus B square. So, that I am going to substitute now. So, square root of A square plus B square plus Z. What is Z here? Z is A plus IB. Okay. Now, that is equals to given as 3 plus I. So, what I will do here, just I will compare on both sides. So, root of A square plus B square plus A and here IB. So, this is the real part and this is the imaginary part, right. So, what I am going to do now? Just I will compare real and imaginary parts here. So, what is the real part left hand side? Root of A square plus B square plus A. So, that I will compare now. So, A plus square root of A square plus B square is a real part in right hand side is 3. Okay, so, that is equals to 3. Now, if you compare imaginary part, here we have IB. Imaginary part is coefficient of I. Coefficient of I is B. So, here coefficient of I is 1. So, the value of B after comparison the imaginary part will get B value 1. Now, this B value I will substitute in the this condition A plus square root of A square plus B square is equals to 3. So, what I will get? A plus square root of A square plus B square. B square means here B value is 1. So, if you substitute B value 1, we will get A square plus 1 is equal to 3. Now, what I will do? I will bring this A to the right hand side, you will get 3 minus A and we will do square on both sides. We will do square on both sides. So, what you will get? Square root will be cancelled. After that, A square plus 1 is equals to 3 and this A, 3 minus A whole square. 3 minus A square will be 9 plus A square minus 2AB, that is 6A. So, cancelling out this A square, we get what? What we get at the end? So, minus 6A, okay, and here 9 and here we have 1. So, what you will get? 6A is equals to 8 we will get. Okay. So, now this implies A is equals to 4 by 3. After cancellation we get A is equal to 4 by 3, with already we know B is equals to 1. Okay. Now, we want mod Z. What is the mod Z formula? Root of A square plus B square. So, mod Z is equal to root of A square plus B square. After substitution of A and B, we get here A square is 16 by 9 and B is 1. So, therefore, B square is 1. So, 9 is LCM and square root of 9 is 3 and in numerator we will get 16 plus 9 and square root of 16 plus 9 is 25, which is 5. So, at the end modulus of Z is equals to 5 by 3. So, here we have that option mod Z is equals to 5 by 3. So, it is a simple question based on the modulus of a complex number, right. So, we will see some more problems from the complex number from GMAIN, previous GMAIN questions. Okay. Thank you for watching.